I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and send Bitcoin on Gemini using an easy method. First, you'll need to set up your Gemini account and complete the verification process. This usually involves providing some personal information and linking a funding source like a bank account or debit card. Once verified, you can easily navigate to the Buy section within the Gemini app or website to begin your purchase. After setting up your account, you'll need to fund it. You can typically do this via a bank transfer, which might take a few business days to process, or by using a debit card for instant purchases. Be aware that debit card transactions might incur slightly higher fees. Always check the current fee schedule on Gemini before making a deposit to ensure you understand any associated costs. Once you've purchased Bitcoin, sending it to another wallet is straightforward. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw section for Bitcoin. You'll need the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, so make sure to copy and paste it accurately to avoid errors. Double-check the amount you wish to send and review all transaction details before confirming. Transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. For maximum security, always enable two-factor authentication on your Gemini account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Before sending any Bitcoin, meticulously verify the recipient's wallet address. A single incorrect character can lead to permanent loss of funds. Remember, staying vigilant protects your assets. Also, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.